Is it worth your time to leave Magic Kingdom and head to the Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Resort to enjoy lunch or dinner at Wailulu Bar and Grill?
Come with us as we enjoy our lunch today and find out if this is worth leaving the park for. We've been seated at our table here at Wailulu Bar, and this restaurant is lovely. I absolutely love it. So we're seated outside, and the views, it's breathtaking. It really is. If I didn't know I was in Florida, I would maybe kind of guess that I was in Hawaii. They've done a great job with it, and not that I didn't know what to expect. I've watched a couple of reviews on this restaurant, but I wasn't expecting this. We just finished up with our lunch, and it was amazing. It's no secret that Tyler and I are not big fans of Magic Kingdom's food. There's not really a restaurant there that we've tried yet, that we've reviewed, that we've been like, yeah, this is worth staying in for. We have always kind of been big fans of leaving and coming over to one of the resorts to grab lunch. Let's talk about our food. I had a hibiscus tea, and it was delicious. It was very good. It was super simple. It was slightly sweet. It had a beautiful flavor. It came with a really pretty orchid on top, and it was just nice to sip on throughout the meal, especially with the vibes that they're giving off, this really paradise feel. It just felt like I was at a really nice bar in Hawaii.
Felt like we were at Aulani.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I didn't even think about that. We were at Aulani. We've never been to Aulani, but I imagine that's what it feels like. And we were just at a nice resort having a nice drink. And then for lunch, I had the teriyaki chicken sliders. I had a kimchi slaw, sweet bun, and then I had sweet potato fries with mine. It was excellent. The meat was fabulous. Yeah. It had just enough teriyaki seeped into the meat very beautifully. There were onions in the kimchi sauce, which I don't know if I don't even know if I'm saying it right. I'm not a big onion fan. There weren't enough for it to really be a big thing, but if you're also not an onion fan, which I feel like I talk to more people that aren't onion fans than are, just know that comes in it. But it was delicious. The slaw gave it just the right amount of crunch. The bun was it was light. It was a sweet bun, and so it gave it just an extra little layer of flavor. The chicken was excellent. The sweet potatoes were super good. The whole dish was lovely. Mm-hmm. And I was a little nervous ordering sliders. I'm not a big slider person, but chicken felt safe, and so chicken is what we did, and I thought it was great. How was your burger?
Scrumptious. I had the Wayfinder burger. This was 2 pressed patties, American cheese, onion jam, volcano sauce. Both of those I got on the side. Served on a sweet bun. Accompanying the dish is either mac salad or sweet potato fries. I opted for the latter. This burger itself cooked beautifully, and I'll just say in short, it would definitely be classified in the tier of Boathouse and Steakhouse 71. The real star of this show, easily the volcano sauce. At first it was like, okay, that's a nice complimentary sauce, but then the heat kicks in, and they told me it's about a 5 out of 10 for the heat. It was definitely elevated from your typical Disney spice. I loved the volcano sauce on this burger, and I didn't need ketchup.
That's a big deal. If you're new, I need you to understand, he would live in ketchup if he could. On the volcano sauce, I had a little bit of it, and I didn't feel like it was overly spicy. I'm an L7 weenie when it comes to spice.
I like spiciness where it does something for the dish. Like it actually plays a role in the overall composition of the dish. When spiciness gets comical, that's when I'm out. But anyway, this burger was fantastic. Fell apart in the mouth. Wonderful to eat. Overall, lovely burger.
So at the time of filming, there are no reservations for this restaurant. It is by walk-up waitlist only. If this is something that you're wanting to do, make sure you're checking the My Disney Experience app. That could change at any time. We're recording this in March of 2025. I don't know if reservations is coming. I have no clue. But as of right now, it is a walk-up waitlist only. We joined probably around
11:40, 11:30?
Yeah, 11:45-ish, and we were sat almost immediately. Our Nomad Lounge video, that one does have how we did the walk-up wait list.
So let's answer the question that we asked at the top of this video. Is it worth leaving the park for it? Absolutely. In our opinion, oh yeah. Now, just note, you'll have to take some form of Disney transportation over here, either like a monorail or a boat, but that's not that hard. It's an easy restaurant to find. It's really quiet. There's Hawaiian music in the background. I don't know if the mic is picking that up, but it's cool. It's peaceful. It's a really good way just to get like out of the busyness of the parks. Right now is spring break time, so Magic Kingdom is packed today. Leaving the park and coming here, it's a breath of fresh air, and you have that unbelievable view when you're in the shade and the fans are going. Like, it was really cool. It was really cool. We weren't in the heat. It wasn't like annoyingly hot outside.
Right.
So you have this breathtaking view. The menu's fantastic. I think there is stuff here for a picky eater. I mean, I'm a picky eater, and I was able to find something really easily. I've heard a lot of good things about the cocktails and the drinks that are offered here.
Yeah.
There's a lot to like in this restaurant. Mm-hmm. So I think absolutely worth leaving Magic Kingdom to come here and enjoy lunch or dinner.
Because it's leaving the park, a lot of people are going to choose not to do that. And because of that, if you choose to leave, you're probably going to finish lunch in about the same amount of time it would take you to do it if you were in the park. That's going to do it for us today at Wailulu Bar and Grill. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you liked this video. If you liked this video, go ahead and like and subscribe.
Also, open up the description, follow that link to our Instagram, hit the follow. We are putting out so many reels and we're having so much fun with this.
Yeah.
And we would love just to connect with you through our Instagram. So please follow along with us at Next Stop Churro Cart. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us this beautiful afternoon. We hope that you've enjoyed the video just as much as we've enjoyed lunch. But that's going to wrap it up for now. And until then, we will see you guys at the next stop.